You got to raise the bar, raise the bar, raise the bar. I say raise the bar if you want to go far. Raise the bar if you want to go far. What's going on, people? How you doing? This is Action Jackson, UK Ambassador for Happiness. I just wanted to record this message for you just to say, hey, listen, whatever you're doing right now in this season of your life, please, it's time for you to raise the bar. What does it mean to raise the bar? We are now living at a time now where the pressure is on. There's so many things happening around the world as we speak, and everybody's mental attitude is beginning to start feeling the pressure now, especially for you guys who are now going to be sitting your exams. This time next year, you'd be in a different space. And in between that space, there's going to be work to be done, revision to be done, reading to be done, coursework to be done, assessments to be done, you name it. And that's why you need to be at your best. You got to raise the bar, raise the bar, raise the bar. I say raise the bar if you want to go far. Raise the bar if you want to go far. Raise the bar if you want to go far. What does it mean to raise the bar? To raise the bar means, watch this, BAR. Beliefs plus action equals results. Beliefs plus action equals results. You raise the bar. The B is your beliefs. What you believe about yourself would play an important part in your journey and your success. If you believe you're going to do it, all of a sudden the powers from out of nowhere will come and hit you. But if you believe that you can't, guess what happens? Oh, on to you. Your belief has to be one that says, no matter what comes my way, I'm going to find a way to solve this. I'm going to find a way to fight this. I'm going to find a way to push through. Some of you are watching this right now and you've been through a lot in the last couple of months. Stuff that no one even knows that you've been through. Mental stress, self-doubt, laziness, negative opinion, frustration, the list goes on. I'm encouraging you, please, don't give up now. Don't give up now. That's why it's important to work on the B, which is your beliefs. What are your beliefs? It's a choice. Why are you so confident? Well, I just choose to not let anything come my way and affect me. It's a choice. It's a decision. Your beliefs, you choose it. So that's the B in bar. The A in bar is your actions. What actions are you taking towards the success you want out of this year? This year, you cannot fail. This year, you won't fail. This year, you must pass. This year, you must do what it takes. And to do what it takes requires action, intense action, inspired action. Intense action, inspired action. If you really want the results, you've got to do the work. There's one thing to have the beliefs, but there's another thing to take the action. Because these two combined, beliefs plus action equals results. Look at anybody on this planet. They've achieved what they've achieved because they combined strong belief with consistent action, which got them incredible results. Beliefs plus action equals results. If you want to go far, you got to raise the bar. If you want to go far, you got to raise the bar. If you want to go far, you got to raise the bar. If you want to go far, you got to raise the bar. If you want to go far, you got to raise the bar. If you want to go far, you've got to raise the bar. I'm encouraging you, please raise the bar. Don't give up. It's going to be tough. And here are a couple of practical things I need you to do. Please cut down the amount of time you spend on those distracting things such as phones and softwares and different types of gaming and social media. These things are draining us. I watched a documentary the other day called Social Media Dilemma on Netflix. You can find it. And after that, I decided to give up my phone for 30 days because I realized that I was being consumed by my phone. I didn't want my phone to rule my mind. I'm supposed to control the phone and the phone is controlling me. And I can't think at my best because I'm busy being sucked in by this world that's designed to just make me an addict. Please, whatever you need to do, start cutting away distractions and focus on what's important. Remember, if you want to go far, you've got to raise the bar. My name's Action Jackson. You can find me on Instagram and YouTube, Action Jackson Live. I'm a big fan of those platforms because they reach so many people. At the same time, I have to be very careful how much I use it. So be careful how you balance it. If you want more questions answered, come over and you see a bunch of videos that's going to help you. I love you guys so much. This is your year. You're going to get the grades that you want. Yes. And you're going to have the future that you need. Trust me. only if you decide to raise the bar. Your beliefs plus your actions equals your results. I love you so much. Let's keep it going. You're gonna make it. If you want to go far, raise the bar. If you want to go far, raise the bar. If you want to go far, raise the bar. If you want to go far, raise the bar. If you want to go far, raise the bar. If you want to go far, raise the bar. If you want to go far, raise the bar. If you want to go far, raise the bar. Peace, love, and ice cream. Love you.